distances between rankings. I have two methods that rank a list of strings differently, and what we can consider to be the right ranking of the list, i.e. gold standard. In other words, how can I determine which method is better, considering that method_1 and method_2 are black boxes? Are there any methods to measure this available either in scipy or scikitlearn or similar libraries? In my specific case, I actually have a data frame, and each method outputs a score. What matters is not the difference in score between the methods and the true scores, but that the methods get the ranking right. Higher score means higher ranking for all columns.
You're looking for normalized discounted cumulative gain, NDGC. It's a metric commonly used in search engine rankings to test the quality of the result ranking. The idea is that you test your ranking, in your case the two methods, against user feedback through clicks, in your case the true rank. NDGC will tell you the quality of your ranking relative to the truth. Python has rankeval-based module that implements this metric, and some others if you want to try them. The repo is here, and there is a nice IPython NV with examples.
The scikitlearn library also seems to have a NDCG and DCG metric implemented now. This URL.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.